calm. You are walking outside, and suddenly a gust of wind. Very funny situation. That guy is fighting a garbage can. The first blow on his head never taught him to turn his back to the wind. Poland. Gust of the wind raised the construction garbage up the sky. Pay your attention at the crane behind the building. These shots are from a car DVR. A sudden gust of wind. That happened in Kazakhstan. Look, the wind made the fishermen on the lake slide on the ice. That happened in Moscow. The bad weather can reach us for some seconds or so. It's also difficult to resist a strong wind on the pavement. That fir tree might have been growing around 100 years, but unfortunately its life limit was over. Have you ever seen a whirlwind? I was lucky to see that once. And at this point, that's all, my friends. If you like my content, click your like, share your opinions in the comments, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!